guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, gagawa na naman tayo ng isa pang makeup tutorial. Yun na nga guys. Actually, itong video na to, ma-upload na siya. Kaso lang, nakurap yung file. So, uulit na naman tayo ng isa pang video. Ulitin na lang natin ulit. So, for today's video, naisipan kong gawin ng review yung mga product na lately ko lang nabili. Yung una natin gagawin is, we're gonna apply the primer. So, this is the No Shine Mattifier. It's a primer from QuickFX. Kuha lang tayo. Kanti lang. So, for the primer guys, nilalagay ko lang siya sa mga visible pores. We're gonna be using this one. It's the Dream Satin from Maybelline. Ang shade ko dito is B2. So, let's put some foundation. And for blending the foundation, we're gonna use the paddle brush. So, blend lang natin. Once we're done with the paddle brush, we're gonna get the teardrop sponge. So, let's use this. Next is the concealer, guys. Kunin ko lang ulit yung teardrop sponge. After natin mag-concealer, magbe-bake na tayo. For baking, we're gonna use this Fashion 21. Ang maganda dito guys, pwede siyang pang everyday dahil meron siyang SPF 50+. I got the shade number 3. So, tapos na ako mag-bake. So, ngayon naman, magkilay na tayo, guys. We will be using this one, Pro Brow Duo. So, this one, guys, meron siyang retractable pencil na ganito kahaba. And, meron din siyang kasamang ganito, guys. This is the brow shaper. Actually, pang shade talaga to. So, yan yung gagamitin natin. Gawin ko lang muna yung kilay ko and I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So, tapos ko nang gamitin si Pro Brow Duo. So, ito na siya ngayon sa kilay ko. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung kilay ko today. Siyempre, kung gusto mong malaman, abangan mo sa channel ko. Mag-subscribe ka na din. So, next is Next is for my eyeshadow, guys. Mag-eyeshadow lang ako at balikan ko kayo ulit. Alright, guys. There you go. Tapos na tayong mag-eyeshadow.
So...
Kasi naman! Next is yung sinabi ko, walang so. After the eyeshadow, we're gonna get this all-day eyeliner. Ito yung gagamitin ng nating pang eyeliner today. Felt tip siya. Super dali niya lang gamitin. Okay. So, ngayon naman guys, kakomplituhin na natin yung eye makeup natin. Lalo na yung sa lower lash. Okay guys, nakapag eyelashes na tayo. So, mag-mascara naman tayo ngayon. So, ngayon, for the mascara is Lash Sensational. This is from Maybelline. So, we're done with the mascara. Magko-contour na lang tayo. Last, for the highlighter. Lastly is the lipstick. So I have 2 shades of lipsticks here. Lipstick lang tayo guys, and I'll be back.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love me. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you.
So this will be our final look guys. So kung nagustuhan mo tong look ko, hit subscribe. Kung may request kayo, just comment down below. That's it for today. See you next video. Bye!